Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about the Hygger lamp real quick. A lot of people say on Amazon in the reviews that there's no real documentation on how to make this lamp cycle from daylight to moonlight. And it's not that difficult to do. I have mine set up currently to do a 1 hour transition where it will go from daylight to nightlight, or moonlight as it says, over a 1 hour period, and the transition is slow and gradual. And I have the same thing for going from moonlight to daylight, and it's not difficult to do. The primary thing is well, I'm not going to go over the settings entirely because there's plenty of videos out there telling you how to set this thing. But what you should understand and need to know is that if you overlap the times from your daylight on to your moonlight on, or either your daylight off to your moonlight on, will create the gradual ramp setting that you're looking for, that they say is actually available in the manual that nobody seems to figure out how to do. So you do that, and I guarantee you'll be real happy with this light. Take care.